Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we have a 330 Sea Ray Sundancer, a 1993 model. It is in great shape. The owner's had it for the last 25 odd years. We have full maintenance records on it, full logbooks, and we have a 2025 survey available when you come to see the boat. Realistically priced and in beautiful condition, and we're doing our signature walk around video on the outside of the boat. It's a 1993 and it's had lots and lots of upgrades, lots of great equipment aboard it, and all of it which is working, which is rare in the used boat market. We test everything, we ask the owners what are wrong with their boats, and they disclose to us what we're selling. Super important. We're going to do a startup video for you, walkthrough videos. We're going to do a generator startup video for you too, to show you that the generator does work. It's got a 5 kW generator, and it's a 1993 330 Sea Ray on shafts, powered with a pair of 5.7 liter MerCruiser engines. Those are 260 horsepower with a Thunderbolt 5 ignition module. Simple engines, great condition, been very, very well maintained. Has anchor windlass package. It's got a Delta style anchor on it. American boat sitting here in Point Roberts, Washington. We sold it to the gentleman about 25 years ago. He is changing his boating plans, has seriously put it up for sale. This is the next boat you need to buy if you're watching my videos. It doesn't get any better. It runs like a top. It looks like a top. It's been really well maintained. The Firefly. It's a 330 Sea Ray Sundancer. So again, we appreciate you watching our video of the outside of the boat. Please watch the remainder of our videos. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales.com, 604-708-1980. We're a bond and licensed brokerage in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia. 31 years in business says it all. We really appreciate watching the outside video of this 330 Sea Ray Sundancer. Watch our startup videos. Thanks.